Hello, YouTube. Thought I'd do a quick video here. I was in the process of making another video for today. And I was doing my video was going to be comparing antennas and all that good stuff. Well, it rained early this morning, about a ½ inch to 3/4 inch of rain. And I went to my location like I normally do in my video, and I couldn't hit the repeater. And I thought, well, there's something wrong. Maybe something happened. So I came back here. I checked the SWRs. I checked the wattage of the repeater. Everything looked good. And I just could not figure out, why am I not hitting the repeater? I just hit the repeater the other day. Well, then it dawned on me, well, it rained. So, I figured, well, that's going to affect, raindrops on the leaves might affect it a little bit here. But it looks like it affects more than you think. Now, I got video clips I'm going to be showing you here. This video clip that I'm going to show you now is the clip that I did after it rained. I'm not going to play the whole video that I did. I'm only going to play the tail part of it, what's important. And then I'm going to stop the video, and then I'm going to do I'll talk throughout the video. I'm going to over talk, as I play this video. This video, like I said, this is after it rained. This is 24 hours later from when I did the other video when it did not rain. Okay, so this is after it rained, about a ½ inch early this morning. This video was shot before noon, and I'm going to show you my dipole, my 5/4, 5.2 ½ inch conduit dipole is what we're going to be comparing these videos with today, okay? With rain and without rain. So this is the 3D print kit that I'm going to be offering and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and play this video, and I'll pause it and I will fill in. And I want you to pay attention. There's some clouds in this video, but it's not like, like really bad clouds. But I think there's more clouds in this video, the rain video, or after the rain happened video compared to when it didn't rain. So let's play this, and I may stop it and talk and explain more. But let's see if I can get this to work. Bear with me. Let's put you on pause and let's go check the SWRs. Okay, now we're in the shack here, and it looks like the SWR is 1.304. I think the other one was like 1.388 or something. I can't remember. Close enough. I'm not gonna, that's close enough. So that's the SWRs that we're having with this 5/4 ½ inch conduit, 5.2, I believe, dBi 3D print antenna kit. So let's go to location 1. Let's see what it does, and I'll put you on pause and we'll be right back. Okay, we're at location 1, which is 3.6 as the crow flies. This is the dipole 5.2 dBi. Now, the one thing I do want to mention is that the pattern on how these antenna transmits are different. So just keep that in mind when I'm doing these type of tests. So let's go ahead. We're going to try the mobile. Radio check. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Looks like I'm not even hitting the repeater. And I do have this. Okay, so now I'm thinking to myself, what is going on? Now, I didn't say nothing in the video because I thought, well, I just didn't really think about it until I realized I didn't hit the repeater at my location 1, which I normally hit it. But it just got done raining early this morning. So I'm going to keep playing this video a little bit, and then we're going to do another clip of another video. I'll explain that here in a minute. This antenna horizontal, that did seem to work better. I thought at this location in one of my videos it was like a 3 dBi, or not 3 S meter reading on here, but I thought there was. Today's a partly cloudy day, so I think the day that I did test this, it was a clear day, so keep that in mind also. But now as you heard, I mentioned that I thought that at this location it was about a 3S reading. So I'm kind of surprised here, and I'm not, really sure why I'm not getting that. I didn't really change nothing. Now, the only thing, and I'm going to rewind this a little bit, the only thing that I noticed is that when I was doing a comparison in this video with a J-pole, I took off, here's a shot of it. I don't have the Retevis antenna next to this. I took that off because putting antenna up and down, the less weight I have, the easier it is to put the antenna up and down. Okay, so now, this is, like I said before, this is the day that it rained, or early this morning. Now, I'm going to play a video that I posted on YouTube the day before, when I did the dipole in the horizontal position and the vertical position. That day was a very hot day. It was like 100 degrees. I don't mention that in the video, but it was like 100 degrees that day, and it did not rain at all. Matter of fact, it didn't rain. I can't remember the last time it rained. It might have been 3 or 4 days ago. So let's go ahead and play that. So I'm going to stop this one, and we're going to play.
Hello, YouTube. So I do a quick video here. Today we're going to do...
Okay, sorry about that. I don't know if you heard that or not, but so here is the video. No rain. You can see there's not really clouds in the sky. This was the video I posted the other day with the dipole kit, it being horizontal, it being vertical. These two clips were shot within 24 hours. I just want to make that clear. Now in this video, you can see I have the Retevis antenna on my mass. But in the other video, I took it off because I was switching antennas and it was kind of in the way. So I'm pretty sure that next to it should not interfere at all. Okay. So I'm going to play this video, and I'm going to stop it when we get to location 1. And I'm going to show you that the S readings were much higher. So let's go ahead.
Hello, YouTube. So I do a quick video here. Today we're going to do some distance testing using my 5-force dipole here. Is what we're going to be doing here. So I have it this way. I have it horizontal. We're going to try that way first. We're going to go to 2 locations, and we're going to see what we get for a distance. So let's go inside the shack. Let me show you the SWRs this antenna is doing. So I'll be right back. Okay, we're in the shack here, so we're going to check the SWRs on that dipole. Now, I did not tune this. I just cut it to the length the calculator said, and that's it. So we are getting at this frequency 642.650. Don't know if you can read that or not. 1.368. Let's go. I got this analyzer calibrated from 460 to 470. So at 460 we get 1.5, 1.6. And if we go to the other end, 470, we get 1.3. So yeah, that's really good. Yeah, I could tune it and try to make it better, but we're going to leave it at the 1.3. at the frequency I'm going to be using. And if you're wondering, well, how do you tune it? You have to, on each side of the antenna, you got to shave it down a little bit. But I didn't do that. Like I said, I just cut it to the length and mounted it in my 3D print dipole kit. I will be offering that kit. If you're interested in it, I will put an email address in the description below, and you can shoot me an email. Once I'm ready to sell this, I will make a video and to tell you how to purchase it. So that's what I will be doing here. I'm hoping about a week, give or take. So that's the plan. Also, I do have interface boards that will work for the Retevis RT97S and the Retevis RT97L and the Midland MXR10. This will do Zello, date, time, weather announcements, repeater ID, and a secondary announcement. I'll post that link in the description below, and how you can purchase one of those. How I'm doing this is, if you're wondering, I have a simplex repeater, which is that handheld, hooked up to this laptop, and it's going to record and play back. This handheld is programmed to this repeater, and that's how we're going to test this. It will record and play back. So that's how I'm doing this. So let's go ahead and get into the vehicle, and let's go to location 1. I'll put you on pause, and I'll be right back. Also, I'd like to mention before I forget, the PVC pipe that I'm using to hold this dipole right there, kind of hard to see it, I'm going to keep that to be the same length. I'm not going to change the length of it. All I'm going to be doing is when I flip this antenna vertical, I'm going to be putting on, let me show you here, let's zoom back out. I'm going to be putting on a elbow, a 90 degrees elbow, right here. And we're going to keep the length, but we're going to put this elbow on, and then I'll mount the antenna the other way, is how I'm going to do that. That's the only thing I'm going to do. So the length of that PVC pipe is going to stay the same. This will be on top of it, be a short piece, and then the antenna will be this way, vertical. I just want to explain that. When I get done testing this way, that's how I'm going to do the next one. So let's get to the vehicle. Let's test this horizontal configuration. Oh, and I'm about 27 feet from the bottom of the bracket of the antenna holder to the ground. I'm about 27 feet. And I'm also not in a very good spot for a repeater. This is the worst place to have a repeater. I'm in a hole, I'm in a valley, which is great for testing antennas, because this is really going to work the antennas hard, because I'm in a worst spot possible. I got trees that are taller than my antenna. So that's why I'm picking these locations, because they're really bad, and that's, I believe it's a good way to test antennas. So let's hop in the vehicle and do the first test with this configuration. I'll be right back. Okay, now we're at location 1, and we are 3.6 miles away from the repeater as the crow flies. My car is not facing the direction of the repeater. Matter of fact, the way you're looking at this video, the way the radio is pointed, the mobile radio, is away from the repeater. My car is pointed towards the street, the road, so the repeater antenna is behind me. Okay, so just kind of give you some reference here. Maybe I can. Today's really sunny. I don't know if I. Hopefully that doesn't mess it up too bad. Let's see if I can block some of this. Let's try that once. Hopefully you can see that. It's kind of hard to see the highway, but nevertheless, that's how this is. So I'm going to do the mobile radio, and I have a handheld. So let's do a test. This is the mobile. 3.6 miles away as a crow flies. Again, my repeater's in a worse location. It's in a hole, it's in a valley. Radio check, 1 2 1 2. So it looks like about a 5 on the S meter here. Let's see if we can get you guys in there a little bit better without messing things up, because that's always easier said than done. Okay, so hopefully you can see that better. Let's do it again. There we go. Radio check, 1 2 1 2. Okay, and the mobile that I'm using is the Retevis RT95. Okay, so as you saw there, I was getting a pretty decent
signal coming back. This is without no rain. It was a hot day. These video clips were shot within 24 hours of each other. You saw the SWR readings in both of these clips. So there, to me, seems like there's proof that raindrops on leaves really affect your GMRS distance. Now, if you have any comments or any suggestions, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you and have yourself a good day.